Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I have today for you my project pan. I'm starting it a bit later this year. I just wanted January off of trying to use up products. And this year I went for the Rolling 10 project pan because last year I had like a list of prompts I made for myself. And then I was randomizing which prompt I was gonna work on. I just thought this time I just want to choose everything myself to get use of some products. For some, I want to use them to see if I like them, otherwise they will be leaving my collection. So I have here my 10 products and I'm just gonna get into it. Alright, I'm gonna start with a foundation stick, which I actually bought in Action. It's from Max Factor. This side is like a shine control primer, but to be honest, I don't really like those things. And here's a foundation stick. I'm just gonna do like a usage on it, usage goal. I'm gonna use it 5 times, I think, because I don't really want to wear it to work because I think it's gonna like slide off my face. So that leaves weekends to try to use it, and then I will decide whether I want to keep it or not. So 5 used on this one. Then I have this Catrice Cover Plus Care Sensitive Concealer, fragrance free. I wanted to try it because I really like the True Skin one from Catrice, and I was curious about their other concealers. And I'm around here with it, I think. And my goal is to use this one up. It's gonna take me a good couple of months, but I'm using it pretty much daily. So I think it's gonna go, not quick, but it will definitely be achievable. And I will mark everything once I'm done with it, like with recording it. Also with the foundation, I will maybe like take a paper and kind of mark where I'm at to then have a reference point. So that's that. Then I have a powder from Belle. This is called the Hyaluronic Moist Powder. And my goal is going to be to hit pan on this. There is like a dip going on, and it's like you can kind of tell where the rings are. So I don't think it's going to take me much longer. It's a really good powder, although I think it was like a limited edition one, which is kind of sad, to be honest. I will still like research it if I can find it anywhere. But this is a really nice one for both under the eyes and all over the face. So there's that. I have also like 2 bronzing products. First one is a contouring stick, well, Sculpting Touch it's called. Creamy stick from Kiko Milano. And this one is, as you can tell, barely used. So I do want to get some use out of it before it expires, which I don't know when it does. There's no date or symbol on it whatsoever. I'm thinking I'm gonna actually do 30 uses and see how much that's gonna be like on the stick. But yeah, I'll attempt that. And again, I will mark it so you can compare it my next update. And then I have a bronzer, like a powder bronzer, and as you can tell, I have hit pan already quite a while ago, and my goal is going to be to use this one up. There's not that much product in it, I think. I actually don't know, but just judging by how quickly I hit pan. And also you can kind of see here the depth of it. So yeah. It's a very nice one though, from Paesa, but I bought it in a Lidl in Poland. So that's to use up. An Essence eyeshadow palette. I like to mauve it. That's how it's called. I'm gonna do a usage goal on it. My boyfriend is laughing at me. That's how it's called. Wanna see it? Look. I like to mauve it.
That's a better way of
introducing
it.
I didn't want to sing it. It's like, but now I have, so. Anyway, I'm gonna do usage goal on this one because hitting pan is gonna be impossible for me. What are we saying? Boyfriend opinion. 5 or 10 times to use it. I know it means nothing to you, just say a number.
7.5.
Not a half.
Fine, 8.
Okay. Alright. 8 uses on this one. And that means I need to use, yeah, at least one shade each time. I mean, it's only 8 pan palette, so I'm not gonna make it too difficult for myself. But I just want to kind of try it out a little bit more than I have so far. A lip liner from Wycon Cosmetics. I don't know if the brand exists still, maybe it does, but the store that was where I bought it from, that's actually been gone for quite a few years. So my goal for this one will be to get it down to the barcode here, basically. Like with the sharpening, I mean, like, so if it touches this, that's my goal kind of reach. So we'll see how many uses that is. It is kind of going wonky a little bit when you sharpen it. Like this side is still very sharp, and this already has loads of product. So I'll see how I manage to use it, but yeah, it's quite old, like I just said, so I want to just try it for a little bit, see if it's okay. If not, it's gonna go. Last makeup item is this Essence This Is Me lipstick in 03 Bold. It's this packaging, and this is the lipstick. I'm gonna do 10 uses on this one, just to get some use out of it, basically. I have a fragrance from Zara. This is the Wonder Rose Summer version, and the goal here is to use this up. Should not be too difficult. If I maybe take it with me in my purse or to work or something. And then this Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to Brighten and Depuff. It's a long name. It's kind of like a deluxe sample size. I bought like a set of samples, to be honest, and it has 5 milliliters in it, and I would like to use this up. This is how it looks currently. I have been using it already, but I do want to just kind of finish it to not have it open for too long before it goes bad. So yeah, this is it for my Project Pan introduction. Let me know if you had any of these products and if you like them. And I think I will see you next month. I was thinking whether to do it monthly or like every 2 months, but I think monthly it's gonna be a better option. So yeah, I'll see you next month for the update and next week for another video. Thanks for watching, bye bye.